Welcome to the Webdadi tutorial video for updating your website privacy policy that is located in the footer of your website next to the sitemap and terms of use. Once you have logged into your VIA software, please navigate to the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on the menu item called Website, which will reveal a further drop-down menu. Now click on the Pages section, which will open a list of all the pages that you currently have saved in a dashboard to the right of the screen. You will find that there will already be a page set up called Privacy-Policy. You can either scroll down the page, or you can use the search box next to the orange Add Page to find this. Once you have found the Privacy Policy page, you will need to double click on it, which will open up a new tab. Working from the top down, you will see the page URL box, which will already be filled out, so you don't need to change anything here. The page will also be ticked as visible, so again, you don't need to change anything here either. Moving down to the next boxes, you can give your page a title. So in this instance, enter the text Privacy Policy in the title field. If you require a subheading, use the next box down, but this can be left blank if you don't need one. The next box down is Content, and this is where you'll add the main body of text for your privacy policy. You can use the editing tools above to amend the look and feel of the post, along with adding links, images, or video if these are required. You have 4 boxes underneath Content where you can manage the SEO of the page that you have built. Meta keywords will need to be separated out with commas. If you would like to add an image to the top of the page behind the Privacy Policy title, then click on the grey box next to the Media section, allowing you to choose an image of your choice from your computer. Please note that images need to be 2 MB maximum and JPEG format. The final step is to click Save and Close, the blue button at the top left of the page. This content you have now added to the Privacy Policy page will override the default privacy policy that you will currently see being used on your website.